Hello everyone, today I will show you how to join strong clans in Clash of Clans. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So let's say you are in a clan, right? And maybe it's a little bit like too weak for you. Let's say if you want to join like stronger clans, what you can do is usually I go to the clan tab, click on the LAN tab, and then in order to know which clan is like strongest, I usually look at the war league that they are on. So as you can see for this clan, they are in silver league, which is not good because silver is almost like a bottom. Another clan that you can also look, let's say this clan is master league 2, which is really good. The thing is, the stronger clans that you join, the higher town hall would be. So let's say this one is Master League 1, that is really good too. But for all the clans that maybe in the high rank, let's say Master or Crystal, Master or Champion, they usually require really high cups and town hall levels. So let's say if you want to join like a Master League, you have to be at least around Town Hall 15 or 14 the minimum. So if you want to join, let's say Champion League, the only thing you can do is you have to be at least, I guess, Town Hall 16 in order to join. And the clans that in like Champion League, those are the strongest clans. And that is how I would be able to find the strong clans in Clash of Clans. Another way would be go to the search options and maybe find like a town hall level. I guess if you want to join the stronger clans, then just set it to like 17, or like 17 for the town hall level. And if you want to join stronger clans, you can also increase the level for the clans. Usually clans with high level, which mean they are really like long time, and you can always join it. But that is how I would find the strong clans to join.